Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the Glorto GeForce GT 734G low-profile graphics card. The Glorto GeForce GT 730 boasts some impressive specifications, including a NVIDIA GeForce GT 730 graphics coprocessor. With a 902 MHz core frequency, it delivers stable performance, making it a great choice for various applications. This graphics card comes with 4 GB of DDR3 memory, which is more than enough for smooth multitasking and gaming. Whether you're into gaming, video editing, or office work, this card has the bandwidth to handle it all. The Glorto GeForce GT 730 features 2 HDMI, DP, and VGA interfaces, allowing you to connect a variety of displays. This versatility makes it suitable for home entertainment setups, workstations, and even light gaming. One standout feature is its compatibility with Windows 11, and it can automatically install new drivers. This ensures you'll have a seamless experience if you decide to upgrade your operating system. The graphics card comes equipped with a Whisper Quiet cooling system that efficiently removes heat from vital components. This feature guarantees stable performance during extended gaming sessions while also saving on electricity bills. The Glorto GeForce GT 730 is designed to fit well with various PC towers, small form factors, and HTPCs. The included low-profile brackets ensure it can be installed in a wide range of cases. It supports high resolutions, with a maximum of 2560 by 1600 on HDMI, 2048 by 1536 on VGA, and 2560 by 1600 on DP. This means you can enjoy crisp and clear visuals on your monitors. Whether you're into graphics-intensive gaming, video editing, or office tasks, this card can handle it all. It's versatile and can cater to a wide range of user needs. Installing the Glorto GeForce GT 730 is a breeze, thanks to its compatibility and included brackets. It's a user-friendly upgrade for both beginners and experienced PC users. At a price point of $89.99, this graphics card offers excellent value for money, considering its performance and features. In conclusion, the Glorto GeForce GT 734G low-profile graphics card is a reliable and versatile choice for a variety of PC setups. With its impressive specifications, compatibility with Windows 11, and cooling efficiency, it offers excellent value for the price. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or office user, this graphics card has something to offer for everyone.